Igbo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo nono wa kwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndibanye, anamekelonu. Afambo ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the digital makeup artist, and you are tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so everybody remember Karina from a previous episode? So she sent in her daughter's name. She wanted her daughter to also receive an Igbo name, right? So her daughter's name is Manuela. So let's give it up for Manuela. Very good. So thank you, Karina, for sending in Manuela's name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So Karina described her daughter, Manuela, for me. And one of the things that popped out in the description was that she said that Manuela, actually, so before I get into that, Manuela, that name literally translates into God with us. So I could have taken the easy route and given her an Igbo name that directly translates into that. So the Igbo version of Manuela is actually Munachi. So Mo means me, Na means with or together, and Chi means God. So Munachi means together with God, or kind of like that same meaning, God with us, right? But I wanted to be a little bit more creative with this one. And so I'm gonna give Manuela, so what she said about Manuela was that Manuela wanted to be a millionaire, right? So I'm gonna give Manuela the name Ego Amaka. Come on, say that with me. Ego Amaka. Good. All right, so are we ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Ego means money, right? That's what it literally translates into. And Amaka means, well, Imama means like it's good. And Ka means it's just kind of like almost kind of like a qualifier, means like really good or like exceedingly better, right? So Ego Amaka means basically money is great, money is wonderful, money is good. And for obvious reasons, I gave her that name because she wants to be a millionaire. So Ego Amaka. So it's not just about money, right? It's about the success and prosperity that comes along with it. And money is just kind of like a symbol of that, right? So Manuela wanted to be a millionaire, and the name Ego Amaka's connection with that kind of wraps it all together, right? So Ego Amaka's names give them the power to be business savvy, classy, and have a really strong entrepreneurial spirit. Tag and share this video with all the Ego Amakas that you know. Thanks. So what do you think? Is that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section down below. Please like this video. Likes are free. Like I said, comment down below what you think about it. What do you think about this Igbo Name of the Day language series? Is it informational? Is it educational for you? Does it help you learn more about Igbo culture? Are you Igbo? Is this helping you? If you didn't grow up speaking the language, are these little bits and pieces that I'm giving you about what the names mean helping you understand more about the language and kind of just like put concepts together and help you translate and understand what native Igbo speakers are saying? Let's say you hear people in your family or you're watching a Nollywood movie. Does it help you like understand what they're saying a little bit more? Please let me know if this helps you or if there's anything you would like to know about the Igbo language. Please continue to support this YouTube channel. Please hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I drop a new video. Send me a DM on my Instagram if you would like to be gifted with an Igbo name. If you don't have one, obviously, I'll give you one as a gift. And if you are Igbo, let me know as well too, and I can feature your name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. All right, thanks. I appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.